Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week you'll notice something a little bit different about my background here. I'm really excited about this. For Christmas I gifted myself a little studio so I can bring you better quality videos. And this week I'm gifting you a Christmas eyeshadow look. As always, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video with your friends and we'll go ahead and get started. For this week's look, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35M palette that I got at Ulta for $24. It's got 35 creamy matte and shimmer shades, so it goes perfect with any kind of look that you're going for. Now, because I'm doing a Christmas look here, I'm going to be using a couple greens, a red, and even a black. Next up, I'm going to cut the crease with my Tarte Shape Tape foundation. You can also pick this up at Ulta for $39, and here I'm using the shade Fair Neutral. Now, all of the brushes that I'm using in this video are from my BH Cosmetics Rose Gold collection that you can find online at bhcosmetics.com. Next, I'm going to use my Morphe smudging brush to really make that crease pop. You'll see I'm going in with a fine liner brush to really accentuate that crease and make it brighter than the rest of my shadow. first time really experimenting with this palette, and I must say I'm really happy with how these colors turned out and how well they stayed on for the rest of the night. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color in the color Jet with my fine liner brush that I use to accentuate the crease, and I'm just going to create a simple classic winged liner. And you can pick up this Anastasia Beverly Hills cream color at Ulta or Sephora for $18. Now I'm going back in with the greens and the reds with my Morphe smudging brush to smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm going to top off the look with my Tarte Man-Eater mascara that I picked up on Black Friday at Ulta for $10, but you can find it on regular sale at $23. And I'm going to finish it off with NYX's Super Clicky lipstick in the color In the Red. And I think I picked this up for like $7 at Ulta the other day. All right, and that's it for this week. Next week, I won't be posting a video because of the holiday, but I will be back the week after with a brand new look that I'm really excited for. As always, like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel using this button right here. And I will see you guys in a couple weeks. Bye!